Hello, I'm your instructor Bree, and welcome. Today, we will go through the steps to clean your Pentair quad cartridge filter. First, we will need to gather some supplies before getting started. Here is everything we will be utilizing to get the job done. Note, we are using the Cyclone Filter Cleaner to clean the filters. This tool cleans faster and more efficiently, but it's optional. Alright, let's get started. Ensure that the pool is put in service mode and shut off the breakers so nothing starts up during this service. Release pressure by opening the top valve and letting all the air out. Open the drain plug on the bottom and allow the water to drain. Now, we need to remove the spring nut assembly from the band clamp with a 7/8 socket. Once the spring nut is removed, set it aside with the band clamp in a safe place for later. Time to remove the top of the filter tank and O-ring and set them aside in a safe place. Remove the center compression spring and adapter by pulling up. Carefully remove the air blade screen cover on top of the pipe by pulling up. Clean the debris off the screen cover and set aside for later. Wow! Take a look at these dirty filters that are ready for a good cleaning. Now we need to remove all 4 filters and get them over to where we will start the cleaning process. Give the filter housing bottom a good spray down to get all the debris out. As you can see, we are spraying all the dirt and debris off these filters utilizing the Cyclone high-pressure wand and rotating stand. It makes this part of the job a bit less tedious, with a more thorough cleaning in much faster time than traditional methods. Once all clean, we set them back in place for system reassembly. Alright, let's put the screen cover back on the center pipe and reinstall the top compression spring and adapter. Next, we will lube up the O-ring by applying a pool-safe lube. Gloves are recommended here. Once sufficiently lubed up, we reinstall the O-ring. Note, we already cleaned the O-ring seating area when we first opened the tank. Almost complete. Let's put the top cover back on. Push down till properly seated. Then, reinstall the band, clamp, and barrel nut, washer, spring, and washer in that order, as shown. Tighten this assembly with your 7/8 socket wrench. Tighten only till the spring coils touch. Wouldn't want to over-tighten and have the thread strip, making this assembly unsafe. Screw the drain plug back in. Hand tight is fine. Ensure the air relief valve is still open. Turn the breakers on and take the pool out of service mode. Now, stand back as the pump primes, just in case. Once water starts coming out of the air relief valve, shut the valve. That's all. Job is complete. Time to clean up really quick and take a swim in your pool.